Fyodor Abramovich Blynov. Fyodor Abramovich Blynov, born in Russia, was a famous inventor and engineer. He was born in St. Nicholas Village, which falls under Volsky County in Russia. He was well known as the inventor of the world's first tracked vehicles, which are wagons that ran on continuous track instead the conventional wheels in 1877. These tracks were later used widely in a large number of military vehicles, tanks, and for other construction work. After his invention of the first tracked vehicles, he further developed the ideas of building the steam-powered continuous track tractor, which was mainly built for farm usage in 1888. His invention of these running tracks was a boon in the world of vehicles, which saved not only time but also energy. He laid the foundation for the formation of the modernized tractors at that time. He died in 1902 due to bad health, but was surely ahead of technological inventions of his time, laying foundations for tractors. Frederick Garland Hopkins. Frederick Garland Hopkins was born on 20th June 1861 at Eastbourne, England. He was a bright schoolboy in several subjects and was given a first class in chemistry in 1874. Later, as a result of an examination at the College of Preceptors, he was given a prize for science. At the early age of 17, when he finally left school, he published a paper in the Entomologist on the bombardier beetle. In 1894, when he was 32 years old, he graduated in medicine and taught for 4 years physiology and toxicology at Guy's Hospital. In 1914, he was elected to the chair of biochemistry at Cambridge University. During all this time, he had to be content with, at first, one small room in the Department of Physiology, and later with accommodation in the Balfour Laboratory. In 1921, he isolated a substance which he named glutathione, which is, he showed, widely distributed in the cells of plants and animals that are rapidly multiplying. Later, he proved it to be the tripeptide of glutamic acid, glycine, and cysteine. He also discovered xanthine oxidase, a specific enzyme widely distributed in tissues and milk. Hopkins thus returned to the uric acids of his earliest work, a method of determining uric acid in urine, which he first published in 1891. Hopkins died on 16th May 1947 at the age of 86.
Galileo Galilei.
Galileo Galilei played a vital part in the scientific revolution for which he received immense admiration. During his college time, Galileo decided to go in the medical field. With strong determination, he got admitted to the University of Pisa to achieve the medical expertise. Almost 2 years later, he started to gain knowledge in mathematics. The major inventions of this great scientist are the improvisation of telescopes and astronomical observation for Copernicanism. Galileo has been globally known as the father of modern observational astronomy, the father of modern science, and the father of modern physics. He also discovered the 4 huge satellites of the planet Jupiter, which was later called the Galilean moon. The work of Galileo also includes applied science and technology, and he also made an improvised military compass and other essential instruments. Galileo thermometer is another one of his unique and noteworthy inventions in the year 1593. Heinrich Altschuler. Heinrich Altschuler was a multifaceted personality because he was a scientist and engineer as well. In Russian Soviet, he was an inventor, a journalist, and a great writer as well. His achievement and imprisonment are 2 contrary points of his life. The main invention he had done is on Tris movement. In 1970, people started inclined to it technically. He was the single intellectual leader that lectured on Tris for the books and articles that are published. Soon after the publication of the books, he became the only founder of the Tris movement with the government of Russian support for the association. He also made other members, which are good thinkers and close friends of him. Most of the students are influenced by his talks to them and had become the major thinkers who contributed later on the Tris movement. For a very long period, he holds the position of the leadership in the Tris movement. The popular science magazine intervenes him for this achievement. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.